If you are looking for bird cages, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's check them out. Product number 1 most popular, Zenipet Playtop Bird Cage, with multiple seating posts, plenty of space and an activity area on top. The Zeniplay acts as both a home base and a jungle gym for a range of species. The metal trays are easy to slide out for cleaning, but assembly can be somewhat tricky. Simple door access for each feeder. Exterior wooden perch debris tray is poorly designed. Brand Zeni model. Pending weight. Pending rating 4.5, 5.0. Product number 2 Hagen Vision 2 Bird Cage. The Vision Hagen is a suitable medium-sized option for your lovebirds, parakeets, or finches. You can choose from an array of different configurations, though it is a somewhat restrictive model for breeds with active lifestyles. Debris guard keeps waste and cage perches are well built and sturdy. Assembly instructions are poor. Brand Vision model 83,255 weight 16 pounds rating 4.0, 5.0. Product number 3 Preview Pet Products Wrought Iron Select Bird Cage. The Preview Pet Select comes with plenty of entertaining features for your wing buddy, including a play area with a built-in ladder. This model is available in a wide variety of colors, with a smooth, heavy-duty push lock to keep your pets secure. Includes a rolling stand. Resilient powder-coated finish bars bend rather easily. Brand Preview Hendricks Models 3152 BLK weight 67.8 pounds rating 3.8, 5.0. Product number 4 Cage Large Wrought Iron Flight Canary Parakeet Cockatiel Lovebird Finch Sugar Glider Cage. Finches, canaries, and other small birds can be accommodated in the Cage Large Flight, since it features 4 dependable wooden perches designed for breeds of that size. Its bottom shelf can be used for storing accessories, like toys and treats. Secure and reliable safety lock. Affordable for its size. Casters are small and flimsy. Brand Cage Model 15A Black Vein weight pending rating 4.1, 5.0. Product number 5 Yescom Bird Parrot Cage built with powder-coated wire and rectangular tubes on its main frame. The Yescom glider features 2 main perches and a ladder to help prevent boredom. Its locking casters are effective in helping to prevent unwanted movement on wooden and tile floors. Comes with 4 feeding bowls. Very large front access door. Difficult for one person to assemble. Brand Yescom Model 17 PCG001 5406 weight 54 pounds rating 4.0, 5.0.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.